Pre-chill your bowl and whisks in a fridge for 5 hours. Add 600 milliliters of whipping cream in your pre-chilled bowl. Whip until you achieve soft peaks. Add 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk. Gently fold in the sweetened condensed milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or essence and fold in. Mix the ingredients for 45 seconds on low speed. Transfer half of the ingredients into a bowl and freeze for 4 to 6 hours. I will show you what to do with the other half in the next video.